Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are, the Jaguar. I've been talking to you about my plans to change the car and get something different. So those plans are official now. So today is my last day with the car. It's been great. I can tell you, I've enjoyed it a lot. There's a number of videos that I've done over the last year or so about the car. I invite you to watch them. Anybody considering getting an F-Type, particularly in that generation, I highly recommend it. It's a fantastic car. It sounds like no other car, but I wanted something different and something that will take the channel to the next step, and that will give me a different set of experiences, which is what I'm looking for, right? So that's part of a number of plans for Garage Buds. I have other plans around restoration of other cars, and I'll get you some of those details very, very soon. But for now, I can only dedicate this video to my lovely F-Type. I got a great deal from a dealership, so I was able to trade it in. And you need to watch the channel and stay tuned, because very soon you will see the reveal of the new car. I think you'll be excited. I am very excited, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and hopefully I'll take the opportunity to make a lot of content with it that will be interesting to people. But for now, thank you, Jaguar. You did a fantastic car. Ian Callum, you designed an incredible car. It's like a mini Aston Martin. I've always said it, and it sounds even better. It's fast, it's furious, it's very exciting. And anybody that has an F-Type, I absolutely can relate with their happiness. I've seen that over the Facebook groups and so on. There's a lot of passion about the car, and I understand why. But it's time for something new. 2021 hopefully will be a better year in every regard, and there will be interesting things coming to the channel, which I will share with you very soon. So for now, just saying goodbye to the car. It's gonna be picked up very soon, and then on to new things in 2021. My best wishes for everyone this year, and stay tuned to the channel. Thank you for subscribing and watching, and see you around again soon. Take care. All right, there goes the Jag. Goodbye. Thank you, Jaguar.
This is Irvin saying goodbye to the Jag.
This is it.